So right now, let's talk about how you can change the location in iPad's App Store. So there are some things you can do and things you should know about as well. And first, if you have some subscriptions or some balance or payment methods set up in one country, you will have to cancel it all before you can switch to another country, right? So that's just a heads up. But you can technically go to the settings app of your iPad and then tap on your Apple ID, which is your name at the top of the list. Then you can select the media and purchases, which is indicated by the App Store icon. So you can click there and then tap on view account. So you will see a page or a pop-up appear where you need to scan your face or authenticate yourself with Touch ID. And there you can manage the country or region. So I have it set to something right as you do, but you can scroll through the options right there and change it to something else, right? So you can select the new country or region you want to switch to. Then you will need to read the instructions and perhaps the terms and conditions. And if you agree, you can go ahead and continue. So that's like a good way to go about it. As I said, the limitation is that if you have an active subscription or a balance of like some sort of monetary balance on your Apple account, then you will have to kind of use it and cancel all of this stuff. So it's a bit more of a work. But keep in mind that it is still possible to set up a brand new Apple ID and start fresh in a completely different location for the App Store. That might take even more work or just create a separate account, but if you want to, that is the option for you as well. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching. I honestly hope that I could help you. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later.